Hello and welcome to the topic subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns, they are also known as subject pronouns. They work as subject of the verb in a sentence. They are mostly used in the beginning of a sentence. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it, they are all subjective pronouns. We move on to the next. Subjective pronouns in the first person. We have singular. This is used for male and female. I. The plural of I is we, and it is used for male and female. For example, I speak English. This I refers to a single person, one individual, and this I may be referred to as male or female. Likewise, we have we eat food. Here we is plural and they could be referred to male and female. We move on to the next. Subjective pronouns in the second person. We have singular you for one person, male and female, and we have plural form of you is the same as you, and it may be used for two persons or more than two. For example, you speak well. Here you refers to one person. I am referring to one person, one individual. You should work hard. Here you refers to plural, to many. For example, like you are in the classroom and there are so many students, and as a teacher I say you should work hard. Here you refers to all you students. Therefore, you here is including male and female but plural. Go to the next. Subjective pronouns in third person. Singular and plural form we have. He is used for male and its plural form is they. She is used for female and its plural form is they. It is used sometimes for animal or non-living object and its plural form is they as well. Let's have some examples. He plays football. Here he is singular and used for male. It may refer to a boy or to any man or to any person, but for male. Likewise, we have she plays football. Here she is singular and is used for female. Likewise, they play football. Here they refers to both male and female, and they may be a group of boys or a group of girls depending upon. So next, it works well. Here it is used for non-living object. Like for example, if I have an idea in mind about a machine and I'm talking about machine that is in my mind, so I may say it works well. It means machine works well. They work well. So plural form of it is here is they. Like so many machines around and we are working. Now they are working, so we can say they work well. Next, subjective pronouns. We can make a table to understand the whole of subjective pronouns. Like we have the first person, singular and plural. In the first person, we have I, we. Second person, we have singular and plural. In the second person, you have you, singular, and you, the same as plural form. Third person, we have singular, we have plural. She, singular. Its plural is they. Likewise, she, singular, its plural form is they. It, singular, its plural form is they. We move on to the next. Now it's time to practice. So practice exercise 1. My name is David. I am a teacher. Here's I is singular and refers to me, myself, not to anyone else. The staff are working. Here we refers to the staff who are working. So here we also refers to ourselves, not to others, and the plural form of I. Practice exercise 2. John is my brother. You are my brother. So here you refers to John. You, one, male. Mary is my friend. You are my friend. Here you refers to Mary, female, one. You are students. Here you refers to many, plural form, maybe male or female. It doesn't matter. You are leaders of future. Here you, plural form, and refers to both male and female. Next, practice exercise 3. John is a teacher. He is a teacher. He is singular for male. Mary is a girl. She is beautiful. She, singular for female. The car is new. It is new. It's singular for non-living object. Practice exercise 4. David and John are friends. They are friends. They used as plural referring to David and John. Mary and Sarah are sisters. They are sisters. They plural referring to Mary and Sarah, female. The cars are expensive. They are expensive. They refer to plural form cars and non-living things. The cats are hungry. They are hungry. They plural form refers to the cats, living things, animals. That's all we have. Thank you and goodbye.